Wrinkles, dry skin, pores. My skin's not what it used to be, but that's to be expected as you age. And since I'm turning 55 in a few days, I thought now would be a good time to review this product. This is the amazing product right here. And no, it's not a lightsaber or a flashlight. This is UltraRadiance. There are so many things it can do, but in a nutshell, it minimizes the signs of aging. Personally, I don't mind getting older. It's going to happen whether I like it or not. But what I can do is take good care of my skin and keeping looking as healthy and radiant as possible. UltraRadiance uses light therapy to safely treat your skin in the comfort of your own home. You may have heard of light therapy or maybe even had it done at a spa. It can cost hundreds of dollars a session and even leave your skin all red and irritated. But with UltraRadiance, there's no downtime, no expensive bill at the end, and no invasive procedures. So you can make a part of your routine and not worry about any redness. Oh, and the best part, it only takes 10 minutes. The device is made to use at home, so it's safe for all skin types. You just have to choose the setting that is best for your skin. Before I explain what each of these colored lights do, I want to show you how incredibly easy it is to use. Right here is the power button. You can just turn it on and select your LED setting. It has 5 different LED settings, each one focusing on a different skin issue. Red is my favorite one. It's for anti-aging. This light will boost your collagen and circulation. After using this light for the first time, I could already feel my skin feel firmer and tighter. Green will balance out oily skin. It's also used for lymphatic drainage and relieve stress. Blue is great for people who struggle with acne. Even as adults, we still get it. This light will sterilize bacteria that cause acne, reducing inflammation and scarring as well. Yellow minimizes pigmentation, balances skin texture, and also treats fine lines and wrinkles. It's really good to use if you want to even out your overall complexion. Purple is another one I use often. It's similar to the red light, but also targets fine lines and wrinkles. When you're using UltraRadiance, you can apply your favorite serum to these little silver plates here. This can really boost your results as you're using the device. If you use skin products on their own, it could take anywhere from 3 to 8 weeks of consistent use to see any noticeable results. By using it with UltraRadiance, it boosts the effectiveness so you can see results much faster. I'll do a little demo for you right now, just so you can see exactly how it works. This is a serum I've been using lately. It has anti-aging properties, it has no harsh chemicals, and it smells really good. So, just add a few drops onto each of these little silver plates. Just turn it on. I'm going to go with the red light, and then just move it in circular motions. You can even use it on your neck area. Just make sure you're always moving in upward motions. You don't want to be pulling your skin down. That kind of defeats the purpose of tightening your skin. This area here is actually called décolletage. Not many people know that. I like how this feels. It's very soothing. While I'm still doing this, here's a fun fact. LED light therapy was actually developed by NASA. It was meant for astronauts up in space to heal cuts and wounds. And now, UltraRadiance has made it easy to use here at home. Okay, I like these results. I think I'm done for now. I can use this again later on for another few minutes. The suggested use for this device is 3 to 5 times a week for only 10 minutes. I think that's pretty short compared to an actual light treatment in a spa, and it's definitely more affordable. I got mine for a crazy discount. They have an unbelievable promotion on right now, but I'm not sure how long it's going to last. Maybe till they run out of stock? But it would be terrible to miss out on this deal, so I wouldn't wait another second if I were you. You can click below to get yours on their official website. Thanks for watching.